Hi there, students. A balaclava, or a balaclava helmet. This is what the Americans, I think, would call a ski mask. A balaclava helmet is something made of wool, normally, that goes over your head. And either there's an area here at the front for you to see, and it keeps all of your head warm, or there are holes for the eyes, and maybe a hole for the nose and a hole for the mouth. And that is a balaclava. Okay, it's a type of hat or a type of thing to keep your head warm. It's a knitted cap, and it covers the head and the neck, and you've got openings for the eyes and face. It's cold weather gear, particularly for soldiers or mountain climbers or skiers. It stops your face getting very, very cold. Okay, so it's a wool covering. Now, the origin of this word is actually quite interesting. Let's see, it comes from Balaclava, the Battle of Balaclava, which was during the Crimean War. Now, the Crimean War was effectively a war between Turkey and Russia about the Crimea. Yeah, we've still got a war about the Crimea today. Balaclava is it was in the south of there. Anyway, the British were allies, and the French were allies of the Turkish, and news got back to the UK that the British soldiers were suffering from cold. They didn't have enough clothes. They were suffering from insufficient equipment and insufficient things to wear. So at home, the news got home, and people began knitting warm clothes for the soldiers, especially these woolen caps that went over. It's a woolen cap to wear under your helmet, with a space at the front for you to be able to see. That's where the name of a balaclava comes from. Let's see, the Battle of Balaclava, or the Crimean War, is 1850 something. Now, this word balaclava actually comes from Turkish, from Ottoman, from the word balaclava. Okay, which is an alliteration of Balaclava, fishing ground. But that is where the origin of this balaclava. Okay, the Americans, I don't think use this phrase balaclava. I think they might use a ski mask or maybe something else, but a ski mask. Okay, formality, a balaclava. 5 in formality, use absolutely anywhere. Okay, so a balaclava helmet, a ski mask, something to keep your head and face warm. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A balaclava.